You see that over here? The interior, this whole portion is the diencephalon. See that here? And diencephalon, if you remember, you study diencephalon contains what? Your hypothalamus and your thalamus. Is it right? And the hypothalamus, what is present? Pituitary gland is present, but I don't see that here because it's broken down, so that's what I didn't write down, the pituitary gland. Otherwise, I could have given you one more feature to study. Is that right? Okay. So now in that, I would like you to study the hypothalamus and the thalamus part. This is, you see, this is the diencephalon, and in between you see this gap is there. Everybody, you see that here? And what is this gap is known as? No, that is known as what? Septum pellucidum. That is known as what? Septum pellucidum. If you see in the lab, they are showing you in the lab book. Who has the lab book? 94 page. You see septum pellucidum, 94? Okay. And who cannot see it? And okay, then the below area, septum pellucidum, this part is known as hypothalamus. What is this part? Hypothalamus. And below that, this part you see, that is the thalamus. So you need to study the thalamus, hypothalamus, and the septum pellucida. You need to study three things, okay? And this is the part of the corpus callosum. That is the part of the cerebrum. If you remember, these fibers, they are connected to the two cerebral hemisphere. And what happens if this corpus callosum get damaged? Then the right hemisphere, the information, they cannot pass to each other. Is that right? These are, if you remember, we studied that the fibers, the association fibers.